a nice one. This is beautiful. You don't even really need a knife at this point in the season. So we could have probably done this a couple weeks ago, but we're harvesting some sumac. It is September 1st, and they say you want to do this in August. And we just, partially we didn't have the time, and there was like days where there's rain. And typically you want to harvest these a few days after a rain, like several, because they're sort of oily, and if it rains, all the oils and everything come off. So you want to be a couple days of the sun to get to dry off, and they start to excrete that oil again. We're out here picking some of it, as you might be able to see. You know, this looks like it was probably like this side underneath, and then this side it looks like it's starting to go a little bit. Maybe got a little bit too much sun. But it is the end of the season, so over the next couple of weeks, if you take a look at this one, kind of just starting to die. And so we got to get these things now, and we're going to be making some sumac mead, wine, whatever. This is not to be confused with poison sumac, which apparently is white. These are across a lot of highways and things like that, but if you're picking those, you have to deal with brake dust, which is in the air. A little bit less here. I mean, we're out of the city, but we're still 20 minutes, 30 minutes from the city, but a nice little bike trail, healthier option. We're just gonna fill our bags with these. Doesn't seem like I need a knife because the branches are just snapping. So we're gonna need a lot, because I wanna make 5 gallons, maybe 3 to 5 gallons of a sumac wine, and I might make a mead as well with it.